Thank you to my committee colleagues and congratulations to our nominees. You each have decades of public service where you have really climbed to the pinnacle of your respective fields. And I am very happy to be able to support your nominations. But what I'd like to know is, based on your past experiences, as you look at them, what are accomplishments that you are the proudest of, and how would you bring lessons from those accomplishments to the positions to which you've been nominated? Dr. Sulmeyer, if you could begin.
Thank you, and good morning, Senator. When I think about what I'm most proud of in this field, it's the teams I've been able to build and be a part of, not just in academia, but now with the U.S. Army. Several of them are here today to experience this, and we've been able to use the hiring authorities that this committee and the Congress has given the department in really creative ways, and I don't think I would be able to do that without the being empowered by the committee and the Congress to do so. So that's what I'm most proud of going forward.
Thank you. Ms. Wilkerson.
Thank you, Senator, and thank you for the opportunity to share about a key accomplishment. As I look at my tenure as the Deputy Director of NGA, I would say the key accomplishment has been being able to strengthen the stewardship of GEOINT resources. So I am the senior champion for that. And what that really has focused on is thinking about how we're postured organizationally, driving culture change, if you will, to think about the governance structure that needs to be in place, how we ensure we are able to provide the very best financial management artifacts, and as part of that, also strengthening our relationship with Congress.
Thank you. Ms. Wilkerson, I'm going to stick with you. As a leader in the intelligence community, you've witnessed a lot of changes over the course of your career about the way we respond to different kinds of threats. One of the key advantages we have over our adversaries is that we invest heavily in innovation and emerging technology. In Virginia, we're really proud of the Ravenna Station work being done down in the Charlottesville area, where we have great partnership between academic institutions, industry partners, and then government agencies. And those partnerships help us drive innovation. How would you build on the success of our centers of innovation like Ravenna Station in your new capacity?
Senator, I had an opportunity to visit Ravenna Station not that long ago, and I couldn't agree with you more that it's fantastic work that happens there, and I do think it is because of the partnership that happens with academia. I do, from an NGA perspective, one of the things that we've been focused on is educational partnership agreements, and also leveraging cooperative agreements that would allow for development activities as well, so that academia gets insight into what the mission requirements are, and there's an opportunity for early engagement. I would, if confirmed, certainly want to continue to build upon that, and then also not lose sight of the opportunity that the small businesses also provide to be able to tap into innovative concepts that we might not otherwise consider. That's part of my current portfolio and one that I've been very passionate about.
I was impressed when we talked the other day and you talked about NGA's partnership with Gallaudet and even high school students coming in to start to learn about work that's being done as a way to attract people into a talent pipeline into your agencies. Dr. Sulmeyer, I think you might have referred to this before I came in the room. It was at another event this morning, but AUKUS, I'm a big AUKUS fanatic. I guess because subs are built in Virginia, I'm on both Armed Services and Foreign Relations, and a lot of the legislation to put AUKUS into place kind of straddled the two committees. I'm particularly interested in the kind of open field of Pillar 2 of AUKUS, how we can work together with these allies on innovative new technologies. Talk a little bit about the way you see AUKUS and particularly what we might do in the Pillar 2 space to advance safety and security in the Indo-Pacific.
Absolutely, Senator. So AUKUS really gives us this opportunity to see how the three countries can work not just as great intelligence partners, but now really as militaries in cyberspace. And that is, as you say, open field running. And so from training, exercising, capability development, those are the three areas where I would look, if confirmed, in the Pillar 2 area for cyberspace.
Great. Thank you very much. I yield back.